Hey everyone, my name is Brianna Dottery, and I am in my final and last semester of my master's program here at Fort Hays University. So I will be a Master of Instructional Technology. It's been 3 years, which I've worked full time prior, so I'm ready, more than ready. I live in Oaktown, Indiana. I live out in the middle of nowhere. So my internet is a little sketchy sometimes, but it works for me. I have a 6-year-old daughter. Her name is Lorelai. She's in first grade. I use her for a lot of my teaching videos as I am no longer actually in the education role, but I was too far into the program to give up on it. So I am an account manager for TrueRx Health Strategist, which is a benefits manager. So on your little ID card where you have your medical insurance, I am the pharmacy side. So I deal with a lot of different situations on a day-to-day basis. I deal with mainly the clients. As a whole, so companies, whereas our customer service team deals with the members. I have been there for it was a year in November, so a year and 3 or 4 months, give or take some. I am actually looking for something that I can use my master's for and to be in like some type of training or teaching aspect again because I really do miss teaching and I'm looking forward to that. However, I needed to have benefits for my daughter and I, which I was part-time teaching. Um, so that's why I ended up transferring over into this role that I'm in now. I look forward to this class, and culture is important to me simply because I have a culture. I have a diverse family culture. I am engaged and to be married at the end of this year, in September, and he is Filipino. So we deal with different culture barriers on the daily basis, and it's great to have an open mind and talk about them and what they are. So I look forward to seeing everyone's videos and this class. Thank you.